So my name is Alan Hyatt and I teach here at the Lewes campus and I'm teaching on the barbering course. The modules on the course that the students will be learning vary from colour units to shaving to beards to cutting and fades, and even coming down into more of the products and knowledge and obviously the consultations. So my background is in both hairdressing and barbering. So I've been teaching for, nearly 20 years within the industry sectors between different salons, barbershops and obviously different college sectors. I started out in hairdressing salons in Brighton, and then I've travelled between different hairdressing salons and barbershops before I became freelance when I also did the teaching side of things. So the entry requirements to get onto level 2 barbering is that you have at least 4 GCSEs at grade 4 and above. The entry requirements for level 3 barbering is that you have a prior level 2 hairdressing or barbering background. So if students don't get their English or maths before they come to our college, we actually can help them here with that. We have many courses that run alongside that fit in with their timetable, that hopefully by the end of their education they'll be able to gain those qualifications. So it varies between different students really. Some students go straight into the trade, some students decide to go and open up their own salons or barbershops, and some may go on to higher education where they're trying to go more into trichology and so forth. We use various different brands within this sector, so we're actually starting to work a little bit more with Osmo, because we've just had the Great British Barbers Bash in here, and obviously they were using Osmo as their campaign, so we're starting to use a lot of those products. We use Morgan's products here, and we also use a bit of Label M as well, because obviously both myself and the other barbering teachers are trained with Label M. I believe that students should come to this campus and obviously this college to come and learn their barbering skills, because we do not take on large numbers of students within our courses. Therefore, we are able to give a little bit more one-to-one support and tuition, and obviously we offer the industry-leading qualifications here. If you'd like to find out more about any of our courses, including barbering or different industry sectors that we do, that you can go onto the college website, which is www.eseg.ac.uk.